Good morning, you guys. So today I am going to go to a vintage market in Peckham. I've never been to Peckham before. I think that's like south east London, I want to say. But it's the flea market, or this vintage flea market is operated by a company in London called Hackney Vintage Markets or something. And if you're from London, then you probably heard of them. They have like several flea markets throughout London every few weeks or few months. So I'll be going there today. It's just nice weather. By nice I mean it's sunny. It's cold now. It's really cold this week in London. I think it's autumn has definitely started out too strong. I think it was like really warm last week, and then it just, that was like the last summer heat wave in London, I would say. Now the cold has begun. The dogs are playing, so I'm just dog sitting at the moment. So I've been dog sitting. It's been 3 weeks since I've got back from Sydney, and honestly I've just been doing nothing, as in like not going out at all. Like a few days ago, the first time I went into the city in London, and other than that I've just been staying home, working, doing some gardening, been working on the garden. So I've just been chilling at home, working on the garden, cleaning, catching up on TV shows and stuff like that. I just wanted to like pretty much do nothing since I got back from Sydney, because the Sydney trip, it was only 2 weeks, and that was a good amount of time, but it drained me like socially. Like going out and seeing my friends and family every day was super nice, but by the end of that trip I was so tired. So when I got back home to London, I just wanted to like do nothing, see no one, not go out, and just chill with my dog, or 2 dogs. So that one's Otto. I'm dog sitting him. That one's Softy, my dog. Yeah, what else have I been up to? Just doing yoga and some exercises at home. I love doing yoga. Yeah, I love doing yoga and just working out and exercising at home. So I love walking my dog, walking both the dogs. I love running as well. I also celebrated my birthday. Me and my friends went to this place in the city, this Italian restaurant. I forgot the name. Ban cone or something like that. It was really yummy. Like their pasta was so well made. We had like 5 or 6 different pastas, and yeah, it was so yum. The sauce they used and the actual pasta, I think it was handmade. So that was really good. And some friends sent over some presents and gifts, so that was really sweet of them. One of my friends, Cheyenne, she got me this coffee and tea brewer thing. Never used or had one of those things before. It looks really pretty and fancy, and it makes yummy coffee, so very happy about that. I love the design and aesthetics of it. My other friends got me flowers. My favorite, hydrangeas. I love hydrangeas so much. They're just something about them, they're so pretty. All the colors as well. Best friend she got me a gift card to this place in London for like, I had to properly read the card, but it's like a spa, steam room, like treatment kind of situation where you go treat yourself for a few hours. Very exciting, can't wait to do that. She also got me a cake. But yeah, the past few weeks has just been nice to chill, relax, do jack shit at home. Because next week I'm flying to Germany for Oktoberfest. I'm going to be staying in Germany for 1 week, so it's nice to have an in-between moment of traveling. But yeah, I'm very excited for Germany and Oktoberfest. I'm not a big beer person. I only started recently getting into beer since I moved to London, actually, because like pub culture and pubs are like everywhere here. So, but when I was in Germany and Belgium, like, I like drinking the flavored like beers and ciders. That was really yum. The ordinary beers are probably not for me. Normally I like sweet cocktails. Like when I can't taste the alcohol, the better it is for me. Well, the thing about beer is that I get drunk really easily from it. Like just 2 cups or 2 pints maybe. I don't even know the correct size names and stuff like that. but the pint is a standard size, right? And that's already pretty big. Although I'm not sure what the percentage of alcohol that is. Anyways, sorry, so now I think I'm all done. I'm just gonna get dressed, feed the dogs. I'm only gonna take one dog out because my dog has had to sometimes retrain my dog when I stay home too much. For example, the past few weeks I haven't been going out, and therefore I've been with my dog nearly 24/7. Yeah, so when I do go out after being home for so long, then my dog would cry or bark for the first like half an hour or maybe 1 hour on and off. I have a camera, so I would know. But normally on like a regular routine, Softy's really good at being home alone. But now since I've been home too much, I need to like get out more and retrain Softy to be home alone. And that it's okay. And Softy's paw is so much better. There's some like pink and white parts. So I was like, I want to say like 97% healed. I want to wait until it's like 100% healed, until I take off the cone fully. Like when he's supervised, the cone can be off, or when I'm on walks, but I would try to keep the cone on when I'm outside and he's home alone, or when I'm sleeping, when we're both sleeping. You know, when you're sleeping, dogs would love to go to town with their licking, you know, licking their paws, licking their butts and whatever. The whole cleaning, skincare routine. So I still keep the cone on when we're sleeping. But yeah, he's doing great. Alright, so I'm gonna get dressed and head on out.